each pipe sling comes with a 3/4 clip to tighten down the load that they have to lift. And normally they don't come back. We have to replace those. Luckily enough today, majority of our slings have their clips, so that process is going to be smaller for us. They're a lot shorter. And we just got to make sure each individual clip's tightened down. As you see, they're not all tightened, but some of them are.
Bad front.
Our customers don't want anything but Crosby on our clips. So if it's like this one right here, this is an imported clip. It doesn't have all the information on it. Doesn't say USA on it. Doesn't say forged. Genuine Crosby on it. We get rid of it. He'll pick up each individual one. It has a tag and a chip on each sling. Clips on there. It's a Crosby clip. It's tightened up. He's going to spray paint it, showing that it's QC. It's our last defense to make sure everything's correct before we put it on the ready line. And all this does is make sure the slings stay on the rack while being transported. You know, easier for the customer to take it off once they're ready to use. Easy for us to do to make sure it's secure for us.